I'm doing an experiment today. I found this WLP 940 Mexican lager yeast with a best by November 29th, 2022 in the bottom of my brewing fridge. We're going to try to make this into a usable starter. We're going to need our yeast, malt extract, a vessel to do the starter in, a star stand for sanitation, a funnel, a scale, and then we've got to start by sanitizing our vessel. We've got 25 grams DME. We're going to add about 200 grams of water. That is boiling. Here's our DME starter. We're going to let this cool to room temperature and then we'll pitch the yeast. I'm a little impatient, so we're going to use an ice bath to speed this process up. Our starter is now fully cooled. We'll add our yeast in. Alright, we're going to open our yeast pack up here. Sanitize our scissors at this point.
Can I have one of these?
Cut this thing open. And immediately after cutting, it occurred to me that I should have agitated this before cutting while it was still closed. We are just going to roll with it. So I drained a little bit of liquid off so that I can work this remaining portion together. Alright, it took a little work, but I'm pretty happy with the amount of yeast that I got out. Basically everything. A little bit of residue left in there. Alright, all the yeast is pitched. I'm going to put the lid on this, label it, and then we will be agitating this several times throughout the day to see if this becomes an actual starter. I smelled this as I was putting it in, and it smelled a little sulfury. It smelled like lager yeast, so I'm actually kind of hopeful. I will make part 2 of this in a couple of days and we'll see what's going on.